I'm Jason Robinhood, and this is my Robinhood portfolio. Okay, so it is currently 10:51 p.m. Wednesday, September 30th, here in San Francisco, and we're going to do a quick rundown of my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see today, Wednesday, September 30th, my portfolio was up $161.76, 1.83% today. For the past week, we are up $693.53, 8.37%. That's a really, really good week. But for the month of September 2020, my portfolio was down $455.01, 4.82%. So we were red this month. It's okay, totally okay. For the past 3 months, my portfolio is up $1,671.63, 22.87%. Since September 30th, 2019, 1 year ago, my portfolio is up $2,637.93, 41.59%. And the total since joining the stock market in 2017, it was around May. Let me see. I think it was. Says around. Let's just say May 1st, 2017. My portfolio is up $2,000, $631.29, 41.44% of all time. We have 9 shares of Ford Motor, and that stock is currently down $1, total $1.01. We have 6 shares of ASG, and it's up 3 cents. We have 4 shares of CC. That stock is up $2.92 total. You have 2 shares of KB Home. Total return is down $1.52. That's okay. We have 2 shares of MRVL. Total return of plus $5.84, 7.93%. We have 4 shares of Fastenal. Total return down 55 cents. We have 2 shares of UPRO. UPRO is a 3-time levered ETF that follows the S&P 500. And the total return is up $10.73, plus 10.50%. We have 4 shares of DraftKings. Total return is up plus $38.24, plus 19.22%. Very strong performance from DraftKings. I will most likely be adding to my position in October in this stock. We have 2 shares of POWI. That stock total return is plus $5.38, plus 5.10%. We have 2 shares of UDIW. UDIW is a 3-time levered ETF that follows the Dow Jones 30. That stock is up plus $6.89, plus 4.58%. We have 15 shares of Apple. Total return plus $422.54, plus 31.87%. Apple is still pretty cheap, so I will most likely be adding to my position before the end of this year of Apple. We have 2 shares of TQQQ. TQQQ is an 3-time levered ETF that follows the NASDAQ 100. Total return is plus $13.75, plus 5.46%. We have 2 shares of Nike. one of the best performing stocks in the Dow Jones this year. And the total return is plus $1.66. We have 2 shares of FVRR. Total return plus $41.98, plus 17.79%. Very strong performance stock in my portfolio. We have two shares of Square. Total return of plus $22.64, plus 7.42%. We have 2 shares of DocuSign. DocuSign is a local San Francisco company, so DocuSign, please stand up. We have DocuSign is plus total return $10.97, plus 2.59%. We have 2 shares of COUP. Total return plus $56.27, plus 11.43%. We have 2 shares of Tesla. Total return plus $200.08, plus 30.16%. I will most likely add to my position in Tesla before the end of this year. We have 2 shares of Zoom. Zoom is one of the best performing stocks in the NASDAQ 100 this year. Total return plus $34.31, plus 3.78% from Zoom. I believe the final stock is NVDA. NVIDIA is the largest held stock in my portfolio. We have 4 shares of NVIDIA, one of my favorite stocks of all time. NVIDIA represents 24.24% of my portfolio. This stock is basically a quarter of my portfolio. Is it overweight? Yes, but I love NVIDIA, so I will most likely keep adding to NVIDIA. But I don't want to go above 30%. I will most likely try to get it down to about 15, maybe, down to 15% before the end of this year. But we have a total return of plus $440.77, plus 25.41% from NVIDIA. And there you have it. That's all the current holdings in my stock portfolio for September 2020. As you can see, we were down $455.01, 4.82%. So let's hope October gets us back to the green. How was your month in the stock market? Do you own any of these stocks? Did you discover any new stocks in this video? Do you have any great performance stocks in your portfolio you would like to share with myself or the other viewers? I'm Jason Robinhood. This is my Robinhood portfolio. Stay long in the stock market.